Morning everybody! So today, bago nating simulan ng ating umaga, syempre huwag nating kakalimutan ang ating superfood, ang ating JC Organic Barley. Yan. So, lalo tong sumasarap actually kapag sinamahan natin ito ng word of the day. So ito, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Matthew 7:7, ask, it shall be given to you, seek and you shall find, knock and the door will be open to you. Matthew 7:7. So guys, very simple ang meaning ng verse na to, no? So, kung ano man yung pinagdarasal natin, kung ano man yung hinihiling natin, huwag kang mapapagod. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Darating ang time, lahat ng pinagdarasal mo, magkakatotoo. So, have a great day and have a JC Organic Barley Day.